cross my mind in a month or so, and you probably moved on now, but I'll never know. I swear I left it right where it was. Guess I wasn't driving fast enough, 'cause it caught up. Turned on the radio and it was our song. Should have turned it off, but I just sang along. I got turned around in the setting sun, came back to it, knew where I was. Turned down Haverhill Drive just like we used to, and it turned into missing you.